In a vast and wondrous ocean, not too far from the sun's warm rays, lived a humble sea cucumber named Sebastian. He was small, soft, and seemingly ordinary, but he possessed a unique gift. One day, while exploring the ocean floor, Sebastian noticed a gleaming pearl encased in a giant clam. The sight of it sparked a desire within him. He yearned to own the beautiful pearl, believing it would bring him admiration and respect. With the sun setting, Sebastian devised a plan. Using his long, slender body, he managed to pry open the clam, freeing the precious pearl. However, in his excitement, he dropped it, and it rolled away into the depths of the ocean. Sebastian chased after the pearl, willing to go to any length to reclaim it. But the deeper he ventured, the darker it became, and he found himself lost in the abyss. Exhausted and scared, Sebastian realized his mistake. He had let his desire for a single pearl cloud his judgment, leading him to lose everything. He had forgotten his true worth and the beauty of his simple life. In that moment of clarity, Sebastian made a decision. He turned back, determined to find his way home. As he swam, he noticed the countless creatures he had taken for granted, the schools of fish, the coral reefs, and the gentle waves. Upon returning to his home, Sebastian embraced his simple life. He realized that his true value did not lie in a single pearl, but in the countless relationships and experiences he had with the ocean and its inhabitants. From that day forward, Sebastian lived with a newfound appreciation for his life and the world around him. He no longer yearned for material possessions, but found joy in the simple things: the feel of the sand beneath his body, the taste of the algae he consumed, and the laughter of his friends. And so, Sebastian became a symbol of wisdom, teaching all who encountered him the importance of appreciating the simple things in life and the dangers of chasing after material possessions. His story serves as a reminder that true value lies not in what we possess, but in who we are and the relationships we build along the way.